going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey Pipes. Love me Fridays. It's Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Friday, January 3rd, 2025. And yesterday, I got the official approval from a existing residential client that I went to on New Year's Day to give an estimate to replace not one, but two HVAC systems in their homes. And we are going to install, for the first time in YouTube history, I'm sure another contractor is going to beat me by the time I get the equipment. Maybe not, but it'll be epic if Pipe Doctor Home Services and my channel, Mikey Pipes, would be the first on YouTube. Wait for the drum roll, ladies and gentlemen. The Bosch IDS Ultra cold climate heat pump system. I gotta tell you, I got the estimate, the quotation from my distributor. I almost fell on the floor. I'm like, oh my God. Woo! It was so hot, the paper almost fell on the floor. Like, damn! It was expensive. So we're installing two 4-ton Bosch IDS Ultra. I think it's called the IDS 3.0. Oh, God, I can't wait. That's going to be tits. The Ultra cold climate heat pump system. Oh, my God, it's crazy. And that's what it looks like, ladies and gentlemen. 100% heating capacity down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Crazy. And look at this thing. That thing is just sick. The IDS Ultra. Woo! Woo! Hot tamale. So as I have this superstitious feeling, New Year's Day sets the tone for the year. Now watch, I just jinxed myself, they're going to cancel it. Oh well, God will provide. Let me show you guys what I've been working on for the last week and a half. We're making a lot of progress here on the training wall. It's going to be epic. And I'm really pushing hard on a couple manufacturers like US Boiler Burnham. I want to have an Alpine, which even if it's falling apart, I'll rebuild it, right? An Alpine, and I want a independent steam boiler or a Steam Max steam boiler, and maybe like a P202 or P203, the original like Series 2, standard efficiency, atmospheric venting, hydronic boiler. Let me show you what I'm doing right here. I am waiting on some material that I ordered so I can connect here, and I got to connect the Alta and then send it that way to connect future systems like the Alpine that I want to get. I came up 1.25 inch black piping. I'm going to do a tree here with my air vent and a couple different low water cutoffs. And some are going to be working, some aren't going to be working. So it's all part of, hands-on training with things broken, and you need to troubleshoot how to fix it, right? I'm going to set up another zone here. I'm going to have these two coming back and looping back around. We'll tie that back in here with a circulator. So we'll have 2 zone valves for testing. We'll talk about end switches. That little black thing that pushes in, which is the end switch button switch. How to wire these things. It's going to be really, really nice. We're going to have some circulators. We're going to talk about how to purge, pumping away, putting circulators on the supply instead of the return. It's really going to be epic. It's really, really going to be epic. The only thing I need to figure out now is what I'm going to send all this heat to. There's a lot of BTUs on this wall here, and there's going to be more once US Boiler Burnham gives me an Alpine. I really hope they do. It's going to be epic if they do, and I know they're going to do it. It's just going to take some time, but it's all good. We need to find that heat output source. I am going to throw in a third party makes it for the Bosch air handler. It's a hydro coil. It's right on top of the unit. We're going to hook that up to there, and we'll pipe it around. I'm probably going to send the piping outside and loop it around, just so I don't have to deal with the staircase. So we'll probably send the piping outside, down, through here, and to my air handler. And we'll have drains and things like that, so we could drain it after every use. It's going to be pretty epic. Pretty epic. And then we're going to try our best, do our best to make the trades great again. I can't believe we're getting this done here. This is epic. I can't wait to have the first day of hands-on training here with a few guys. You know, we'll set up a couple chairs here. We'll use the workbench to take some notes. We'll get hands-on. We'll talk about tools, combustion analyzers. It's really going to be epic. And I already have 2 manufacturers that are sponsors of the center. You'll see their names up there shortly. So just don't get your panties in a bunch. But I'm really excited about this. It's awesome. Really excited. It's awesome. Some food for thought. What I'm going to do coming out of the bottom of the Spyro vent, I'm going to add a cross T here in 1/2 inch. I'm going to pick up that Taco pressure reducing valve, and then I'm going to have a Caleffi pressure reducing valve on the other side that we use on our systems when we install a system. And you'll be able to see the 2 different types of pressure reducing valves that are common in the area here. Expansion tank will be another 30 below that. It'll be pretty epic. Pretty epic. Good morning, Mike. It's Friday! It's Friday. So we're making progress, slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. That's what they say. Happy Friday.